Guys, I just received the best CarPlay device, and when I say the best device, I mean it, as this device comes with Wi-Fi, YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, and more. And best of all, it works on any car. So if your car does not support CarPlay or Android Auto, well, it's not a big deal anymore. Just check this out. Maybe you've seen the wireless CarPlay screen and now you are wondering if it's compatible with your car or not. And to keep it very simple with you guys, as long as you have a working radio and a working power outlet, whether it's the cigarette port or a USB, it will work in your car. This CarPlay screen comes with everything that you need to install, including a mount, a back camera, aux USB cable, and more. I have an iPhone, but this is also compatible with Android if you are an Android user. You can access most of your favorite apps and it's a great, fast, and very smooth. This CarPlay screen isn't just like others because this one is really fast with smooth touch and the screen is really good and the colors are perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the screen. The screen is 9-inch, high quality display, and it's pretty smooth. Here as you see, the most important things about this CarPlay screen. Here as you see, we have the base bracket, which we will use to install the screen in car. This is the power cord cable. It uses Type-C and this is pretty cool. This is the second bracket. It looks like suction cup bracket. This is the full HD rear camera with 6.5 meter cable. Here we have aux cable and another sticky pads. So I really don't like to use aux cable since I have an iPhone, but it's cool to include it in the box. It also comes with these pads, so guys, you can stick it directly on the back or whatever it was for. Okay, this is the CarPlay screen user manual. It has good instructions. Make sure to take a look at this. It has all the information about this smart screen and everything you need to know. This screen comes with built-in FM transmitter, Bluetooth to car speaker, and built-in speaker. On the back of the screen, you can mount the screen on the stand. Okay, I will remove the screen protector. Alright, let's go ahead and open the screen to test it and see how it looks. Let's turn it on and see how it works. And boom, this is it. Okay, select your language, select your region. Here select the driving position of the CarPlay and Android Auto. I prefer to use the left position. Hit continue button. And as you see, this is the main interface. What makes the screen amazing is that it comes pre-installed with YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and YouTube Music. It also comes with VLC media player to watch your favorite videos, a clean shortcut to clean and optimize memory. It also has a gallery so you can watch photos and videos. Also, we have Files app to browse the files on the screen. This is the first time I see a screen with Files app. Here we have reverse camera. If you want, you can connect it to the screen or just ignore it. And finally, here we have App Store. You can install and update apps from here. Let's go to the home screen. Here we have CarPlay and Android Auto. From here you can use CarPlay if you are an iPhone user and Android Auto if you are an Android user. Okay, let's go to settings to connect the screen to Wi-Fi. This is the first time I see a CarPlay device comes with Wi-Fi. Here below we have more settings to explore. The screen also comes with AssistiveTouch. This makes it easier to use the screen. In AssistiveTouch menu, you have some options like increase brightness. You can of course adjust the screen brightness quickly from the AssistiveTouch menu. It also has multitasking to switch between apps and more. This screen comes with built-in FM transmitter, BT transmitter, FM and aux. Here we have a clean shortcut to clean and optimize memory. Now I will test YouTube. So as you see, this is my YouTube channel. You can watch your favorite videos and shorts. The screen is high quality with very good brightness, so enjoy watching videos in your car. This is TikTok. You can simply create a new account or sign into your account and watch TikTok videos. If you are a Netflix lover, you can simply watch your Netflix movies from this screen. This is the best CarPlay screen I've ever seen. This is why everyone is buying it. Once you connect it, you will be able to make calls, listen to music, read your messages, WhatsApp and Telegram messages, and more. You can make calls directly from the screen. It even has a keypad so that you can call anyone from the screen itself. There is nothing more to ask for with this smart screen. The truth is, nothing to wish for new cars. It's the best screen I've ever had. So upgrade your driving experience with this high quality CarPlay screen. This screen comes with full HD rear camera, support park assist, and more. I have to say that I'm really happy because I got this screen. If you like this CarPlay screen and want to buy it, you can buy it from the link below this video. It's worth it. So guys, this is our review for this product, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more reviews, and peace.